Hey guys, this is Anthony with LaptopScreen.com. Today we're going to replace the screen on a Latitude E6440 from Dell. First things first, as always, go ahead and pull the battery. Two latches there. Should let the battery peel up. Alright, once you've taken your battery out, you can flip the laptop over. Go ahead and open it up. And this plastic bezel will just pop off. Alright, once you've got that bezel off, there's going to be 4 screws around the edge of this monitor. Here, 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 and here. Go ahead and take those out. Alright, once those are out, you can kind of peel the monitor back by one of those tabs. You want to be careful and take note of where that monitor cable runs along the bottom so that you can replace that later. And you can just lay the monitor down on the keyboard. From there you should be able to see the plug here. We'll go ahead and loosen this adhesive that's on the plug, and you want to be careful while you're loosening this not to let it jerk when it lets go, because there's still a lock on the plug. Alright, once that's undone, you'll see there's a small latch on the other side of the plug here. And you'll just need to use something pretty small to get that undone. There we go. Once that's lifted up, the plug should just pull out. And you've removed your broken monitor. Now go ahead and grab the new monitor you got from LaptopScreen.com. Set it on the keyboard where the old monitor was. Go ahead and slide the monitor cable back in. And you want to make sure it's seated properly. That one didn't seat. There we go. Lower that latch bar again. And restick the adhesive. From there, just place the monitor back where it was on the bracket pegs. Make sure your cable's back under the cable guides. And go ahead and put those 4 screws back in. Once you get those screws back in, go ahead and remove the protective plastic film that's on your screen. And go ahead and replace the bezel. Once you have it set in place, you can go around the edge, start snapping it on. You should hear a firm click maybe every 2 inches. And if you don't hear it, don't force it, because you can bend the plastic clips or break them off. Okay, once you have everything snapped back in, flip the laptop back over, replace your battery, and that should just slide in there and snap. Go ahead and test out that new screen. There we are. Also, if your screen is a little bit loose, it's got some wiggle to it like that, what you can do, it's super easy to fix that. Go ahead, close the laptop, turn it over, and you'll see two screws. You'll see this silver one here and a matching one on the other side. Go ahead and tighten those down. You don't have to crank them. Just get them to where they'll hold. And there you go. It's tight now.